Something's got it. It was a tiny smallmouth. I was like, I knew I felt that, but it felt weird. Can I get my lure back, bud? There, thank you. Guess that's a good sign. Tiny guys are biting. This is a smallmouth, I think. It's freaking big. No, this is a pike. Wow. Oh, it shook it off. He was doing some serious head shaking, though. I kind of thought that was a smallmouth. This is going to be a terrible day. Oh, thank Jesus, they cut everything back here. Oh, hallelujah. It's a smallmouth. Yep. Oh man, this current is pretty fast today. And he's gone. Oh, that's two. I'll count that one. I might just try it right now. See how that works. Oh, that's not at all what I wanted. I got a fish off that cast. That's actually kind of funny. This is a pike that's jumping like a bass. Let's get down here with them. Pretty thick. Let's get a better look at you. If you would like, probably chill out for literally a hot second. Just one hot second. It's number one on the day. Got the pike now. I knew he was down there somewhere. Oh, he's pretty feisty. Get up here. These pike haven't been small at all today. They have been pretty freaking nice sized. Oh God, no. Those are not the nice bees. Oh no, they're everywhere. I'm just going through this bitch. Ah! Dude, there's bees freaking everywhere. Oh no. Dude, if I get stung, I'm gonna freaking be pissed.